Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best handheld vacuums on the market right now, the Blackdecker dustbuster AdvancedClean cordless handheld vacuum. This sleek and powerful device promises to make cleaning a breeze, whether you're tackling carpets, cars, or hard-to-reach corners. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Blackdecker dustbuster AdvancedClean is designed for multi-surface use, effortlessly removing hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. With an ergonomic design that includes an onboard extension for less bending over, and a rotating slim nozzle that fits into tight spaces at different angles, this vacuum is all about convenience and efficiency. Powered by a 16-volt battery, this vacuum offers cyclonic action that spins dust and debris away from the filter, maintaining strong suction power throughout use. It comes with a flip-up brush for dusting and vacuuming upholstery, and an extendable crevice tool for accessing hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions and on top of shelves. The suction power is rated at 15.2 AW, ensuring thorough cleaning on various surfaces without any hassle. In conclusion, the Blackdecker dustbuster AdvancedClean cordless handheld vacuum is a top contender in the handheld vacuum market. It excels in portability, suction power, and versatility, making it ideal for quick cleanups and targeted cleaning tasks around the home or in your car. While it may have a few minor drawbacks, its overall performance and ease of use make it a worthy investment. If you're looking for a reliable handheld vacuum that delivers on performance and convenience, the Blackdecker dustbuster AdvancedClean is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to learn more and get yours today. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.